Hello there, you're watching Candid.Technology. My name is Idullah, and in this video we're going to talk about why you can't reply to your Instagram DMs. Now there are a bunch of reasons why you might not be able to do this. Your app might be outdated, your cache might be corrupted, the app might be facing an outage, or you might simply have not upgraded to Instagram messaging yet. Now the first thing you should do is check if you've actually upgraded to Instagram messaging or not. To do this, open Instagram, tap on your profile icon, tap the hamburger menu icon, tap settings, and you should be able to see the Instagram upgrade option right here. Once that's done, go back to your DMs and now you should be able to reply to them. When you run into issues like this, you should check if you're connected to the internet first. If you're on Wi-Fi, ensure a stable signal and an active internet connection. If you're on mobile data, check to see if it's enabled and you have good network coverage. More often than not, if you're running an outdated app, it can cause problems. Head over to your respective app store to check if there are any updates available. And if there are, update your app immediately and try again. Next up, we're going to try clearing the app's cache to see if that helps us. To do so, slide down from the notification shade and tap the settings icon. Head over to apps and then see all apps. Find Instagram in this list. Tap on the app and then tap storage and cache. Once you're here, you can use the clear cache and clear storage buttons to clear the app's cache. Now go back and relaunch the app. Keep in mind that you might have to log in again. Once you're done, you should be able to reply to your DMs without a problem. Another possible reason is that Instagram might not be working correctly. You can consult sites like Down Detector or Instagram's own social media handles to verify this. If Instagram is facing an issue, there is nothing really you can do except sit back and wait until the error gets fixed on its own. Another thing that might be causing an issue is that Instagram might have blocked your device's IP address. This can happen for a range of reasons, including using any third-party apps or bots to increase followers or like counts. To counter this, try logging into your account from another phone or your computer to see if you can get around the issue. Finally, if nothing else works, you can report the problem to Instagram. To do so, tap the Instagram icon, head over to your profile, then tap the hamburger menu icon and then tap settings. Scroll down and tap help and then tap on report a problem. Instagram will ask you to shake your phone, but you can just avoid that by tapping report problem without shaking. Then select if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics. And then you can type out your problem and send it to Instagram. And Instagram should get back to you shortly. If you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments below if we can make more content like this. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.